on to another big development coming in by the top court. The Supreme Court has now stayed its November 20th judgment on the definition of Aravalli Hills. It has also called for a constitution of a committee to now re-examine the report of the previous panel, which recommended the 100 meters rule. Now, viewers, at the centre's 100-meter definition, which had been accepted by the top court earlier, had put, in fact, Aravalli's Hill at the risk of concerns of mining and upsetting the ecological balance of this area. Remember, they act as an ecological shield for the entire northern India. The court has now proposed a committee of domain experts to be constituted to examine the report and the recommendations of the Committee of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on the definition of Aravalli Hills as well as ranges. In fact, it framed 5 questions which need to be considered. Now, whether the definition of Aravalli will be restricted to 500-meter area creates a structural paradox where the conservation area is narrowed. Second question being, has it broadened the scope of any non-Aravalli area, thus facilitating unregulated mining? We're also discussing whether regulated mining shall be allowed in the 500-meter gaps. And if so, what precise structural parameters will be utilized to ensure ecological continuity is not compromised? And if a significant regulatory lacuna is discovered, then whether a significant assessment would be needed to maintain the structural integrity of the Aravalli range. So these are the main pointers, in fact, which have been now dictated by the Supreme Court. These are the 5 questions to be considered at this point. But the big focus at this point, the Supreme Court is staying its own November 28th order, which revised the definition of Aravalli Hills as well as ranges. Remember, the top court had taken a suo motu cognizance of this issue. There was massive backlash after its order came in on the revision of the definition. And in between that massive backlash and the rising concerns from environmentalists that a redefinition, a revised definition could lead to havoc in the Aravalli Hills, Supreme Court today stepped in. It has now stayed its previous order regarding the 100-meter definition of Aravallis at this point. That's the big focus at this time, viewers.
ये पता है कि उनकी अप्रोच क्या थी, इसलिए आज जो उन्होंने इस्तीफा मांगा तो इसलिए मांगा है मंत्री का जो रुख है, इवन आपका सरिस्का के लिए भी उनका खुद का लोकसभा क्षेत्र, आपने वहाँ बेईमानी करा करके वहाँ जिस प्रकार से प्रस्ताव पास करवा दिया अपने मंत्रालय से 3 दिन में 24, 25, 26 तारीख को यहाँ का वाइल्ड लाइफ बोर्ड राजस्थान का, दिल्ली का टाइगर को लेके जो एक संस्था बनी वो, और दिल्ली का केंद्र का वाइल्ड लाइफ बोर्ड, तीनों ने एक दिन में उसका अप्रूव कर दिया और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पेश कर दिया। वहाँ से आपको लताड़ मिली, कई मखौल उड़ा रखा आप लोगों ने। इतना बड़ा फॉरेस्ट का और पर्यावरण का फैसला है और 3 दिन में आपने कर दिया, दोनों राज्य ने और केंद्र मिल के। आज तक उसका जवाब नहीं आया है। अब ये मौका आया उनके सरकार के सामने भी कि नई अप्रोच के साथ हम आगे जा रहे हैं।